Okay, so I pulled off on a little back road here out in the country, so people don't give me weird looks. Yeah, it's a video of my two-step, 4,000 RPM. It's not real high-pitched. Sounds alright. I don't know, it's not like the little chainsaw engine type thing you hear from most Hondas. You could, I guess, set it up higher RPM, make it sound better, but oh well. Here it is, I guess. Alrighty, so I guess I'll take a little drive. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything major or stupid, just gonna take a little drive. I like the sound of the exhaust. It's kind of hard to drive and film with this camera at the same time, but oh well. There's 70. Not forward. About maybe a little over 3/4. There's 50 in the second gear. Probably not as fast as the Supra, but I like it.